Happy sunny day from the nature reserve Nacka in Stockholm, and this is Söderbysjön's lake that I have taken a swim already once this year from the public sandy beach, but now I have explored around the lake and I have ended up on this beautiful rocky spot, which means it is time for beach adventures with Chris on this 4th of June. And we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air right now, very nice weather, and I'm gonna measure in a bit how much is in the water, but as this is quite small lake, it's gonna be very warm. Yesterday it was 23 degrees in Lake Flatten, so let's check out how warm it is now in this lake as well. Summer is in full swing in Sweden, and I'm exploring yet another beach location. And this is beach day number 53 on my Sweden beach adventures. So with my Scott gravel bike, it took me around 8 kilometers to get here, 20 something minutes approximately. And yeah, let's then get going with the swim. And as I have seen, here it is a bit hard to get in, so I'm gonna go around, as I saw, nice way in, very close, and then I'm gonna swim in on the way here. It's easier here to go up, so I'm gonna be showing you around a bit as well while we walk in this nature reserve. Actually, it took me a while to find the place because I wanted to find a place where I will be alone and film in peace and quiet. It was quite crowded despite being a huge nature reserve, but eventually I found my own spot. So this is how it looks like, the nature reserve, and maybe it's not a great idea that I'm walking barefoot now, but yeah, I'm no stranger to nature, for sure. All right, then it's time. This looks like a very nice place to get in. And there are also some lotus notes, which makes it a bit more interesting as well. But this is perfect. Well, technically I could have been here as well. This looks like a nice place for a video dance as well. Indeed. All right, then let's get going then and check out first the temperature while you are watching this beautiful nature. I'm sensing it's gonna be so warm indeed. How much is it? 24 degrees Celsius. Yes. Not sure if you can see it, but it is 24 degrees Celsius, which is insane. It's so warm. And here you can see also the lotus notes that I'm gonna be swimming through. So yeah, beautiful nature, beautiful lake. Let's then get going and enjoy in this wonderful day with a swim. Let's go! Amazing. It's so warm and nice. Beautiful, beautiful swim in Söderbysjön's lake. I will be definitely returning here because it's so nice. And 24 degrees Celsius in the lake, it's massive indeed. Perfect for swimming practice also. in this lake. You can swim back and forth to the other side. Indeed. Alright, then, thanks so much for watching this episode with me and beach adventure from Söderbysjön lake in Nacka, Stockholm. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!